Well, I cut up some more of that rubber mat stuff that I've been using for this stuff. Patched that hole there, and I made a kind of shifter boot kind of thing. And the noise is substantially decreased, so I'm thinking it was just because there's a slit in there, all the sound was getting funneled up, and then it was just coming through that big hole right into the cab, and it was really loud. But I drove it, did the speed limit, pushed the clutch, and you can barely hear it, so I'm sure it was just exaggerated by the holes and everything. So yeah, like this is the stock shifter. This thing alone would take up a lot of the noise. This would reduce the noise substantially because the noise has to pass through this center section here, and it's not exactly thin, so that would dampen it a lot. And so would the sound deadening in the on the floor. Now I gotta drag my torches out and cut the front of the frame off. Well, I got the front of the frame cut off, and now just called Buddy and he's coming to get it. Should be here any minute. And here he is. Now he's just gotta back up to her, and then I'll inquire about that sensor or the mass airflow. I think he only wanted like 40 bucks for it. If so, I'll follow him out and grab it and come back, and yeah. Oh, there she goes. Sad day. Oh well, it's one less thing I have to worry about now, and we got a parking spot back. Just got a little bit of cleaning to do, but yeah, he'll call me in a little bit, like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll find out about that mass airflow sensor. Yeah. Check it out, it's Mini Beastie. Mini Beastie 2. That thing's pretty tall, but not even as close as mine. Pretty nice.